marizoneta. Eniyo idzo mbira dzacho magwariwa izvi. Totanga zvakadai so. Then tobva tochienda toisa mawaya acho. Then yakuchizoita chi mbira tabatanidza neresonator. This development yatiri kuita yembira tinoigadzira iri parapuranga, but we want to make sure that it produces the same sound as this one. Saka the experiment that we started is this one. This is the production yatakatanga nayo, but in terms of sound, this one I think to produce the sound, the desirable sound, but the make yakatibvumira kuti right, but we are still working on the sound. Tibudise sound. And this is acoustic mbira, acoustic electric mbira. You in a magazine, you don't just like an electric guitar, then you turn your plus. In my extra sounds, when you're playing it, you can play when the moment you don't know what this side. This my shaking sounds is very unique as compared to the natural mbira that she now. I'm working Manfred.
Yes.
He is the one who made this.
Okay.
This Gweru. Rine resonator at the same time. Then in ndikazoisa some keys and the measurements ndo ndindakampa futi akanogadzira. Yeah, most of my customers my schools. When I was beginning to manufacture my schools, they were my customers. Akanga achinyatsotenga zviri consistent. But nowadays I'm realizing that they are now coming from as far as Germany, from Japan, from USA. I'm receiving orders from as far as those countries, even Namibia, South Africa. One of my schools, of course, are retained, but because of COVID, they are closed. So I'm surviving on the outside market, from the outside market.